I got something a little bit different for you today. I'm stepping out of dirt bikes just a little bit, and I think you're really gonna like this one. Check it out. This is an LQ4 6.0 LS. We don't know how many miles is on it. We're not for sure what kind of condition it's in. So if you wanna see what's on the inside of this bad boy, follow along. Let's check it out. Somebody must have stripped out the drain plug and put one of these stupid things in there. Suck. Yep, terrible. This one, swimming. Ah. Okay, after pulling the passenger head, I ran into the first real issue. You can see right here where the piston is a little bit marked. You can see the other ones, they don't have that. Normal one, this is cylinder number 2, that one I showed you, that piston. So the piston was coming up and smacking the cylinder head right here. So I suspect one of the rod bearings is bad. Oh yeah, so here is the issue. A lot of metal flakes. That's one. Oh. Oh yeah. There's our cylinder number 2. Sorry. They were like this. So in conclusion, the teardown of the LS is done. The only thing I have left to do is pull out the cam bearings. They are toast. Just using some deductive reasoning, what I think actually happened with this motor was they stripped out the drain plug and it leaked out all the oil, and therefore, because it was starved of oil, it spun a bearing. So from there, we're going to rebuild and I'm going to put it back together. So stay tuned for the rebuild and to see what I'm going to put it in. Till next time.